Girl, hell no. Release this mess. I hope this comes out right now. Okay, hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Shimei Juliet, and today I'll be testing hacks, 5 hairstyle hacks. Ah! That's my baby. Help. Okay, just hold on.
Say
hi and bye. Hi, bye. Okay, now we have to continue the video. Okay, mommy has to work. All right, say bye. 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 Yes, bye. He said bye. Okay, so today we'll be testing 5 hairstyle hacks from 5 minute crafts. And yeah, so we'll watch it together. I'll show you, I'll put the video down so we can both watch it together, and then I'll be attempting the styles to see how they actually look with natural hair, because most of these hairstyles don't work without hair. So the first one is this. Okay, let's try that. I've got a satin scarf here because I have no ribbons, and it's pretty long. It's like really long, so, and it's pretty. So let's see how that works out with my thick hair. So we're just gonna put this, put it under her neck, like so. And above her hair. And then she pulled. Oh my gosh, what is going on? I'm just gonna turn around. I don't think this is working. Okay, so this is pretty much stuck here, and I'm finding it really difficult to bring it down, so I don't think this hairstyle works. Nah. I think it works with, like, if I wanted to do a low bun, but not the particular bob hairstyle that she did. So I'm just gonna go ahead to tie it like that. Would it be cheating if I use my hands? But look at this though. My hair is so poofy here. This is not working, so this hack is a no-no. No. Let's go to hack style number 2. Girl, hell no. Sorry. Okay, hairstyle number 2. Let's watch. Okay, let's try 2 space buns. Okay, so this is one right there. Oh, this is cute. Hang on. Let's make this tighter. All right. Okay. Now I'm tempted to take pictures. Crazy. Okay, so the hair tie right before the ends, like so. I hope this comes out right. I hope this hack works. I hope it works. All right, so this is one done. Look at how poofy it is, you see? Do you see the drastic difference with natural hair? Like, do you see it? Look at how poofy that is. I need to take a picture. I need to take a picture of this. All right. Sorry, the way my hair just poofs up, like, no, we're gonna stay up, not down. Okay. And then she goes, right? I'm just gonna, let me watch that video again. Where's my phone? Obviously I can't do that with my hair, because if I did that, oh, I'm following the tutorial, so let's do it. splits it open. I don't know if she does this, but I'm gonna do this. And then rolls it up. We keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Ooh, this hack works. Ka-ching! I like this one. This one works. Just trying to get... My head. Let's try that again. Okay, so this. Let's go in gently this time. Okay. Ooh, we got a hack that works. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay, I'm pretty excited about this. Let me see. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist it because I want my end smooth. Ain't nobody gonna see this anyway. And no one is gonna see this anyway, so yeah. Rolling, rolling. Okay, so we're rolling it up, rolling, rolling it up. And when we get there, we spread and spread. Oh gosh, it works. It works! So number 2 hack does work for natural hair. Ah, it's so cute. We've got 2 space buns. 2 space buns. Super cute. Ah. Okay, so that works, which is really lovely. So let's go on to hack number 3. So here's our hack number 3. Let's watch it together. Low bun, twist low bun, twist inside, and twist back outside. Okay, we're gonna take this really slow. Twist 1 and twist 2. Okay, pause. Okay, so let's try this, shall we? If you don't have thick natural hair, it is quite difficult to hold all this hair with one hand or to put a low bun without any help. So this is gonna be quite interesting. So yeah, so I think we've gotten this far. So it's a low bun, she did, like so. The struggle is real. And then she goes like this. And she creates a part here. Oh gosh, the struggles of thick hair. Trying to create a part. Okay, so that, and then take this. Take this and put it through. And then it twists and opens another part here. Oh dear. Another part here and puts it in. How does that look? Yeah. No. This hack does not work for 40 hair or thick 40 hair. Moving on, next hack is a low bun again, and then, okay, this should work. Oh, this should work, this is cute, this is cute. And try another low bun without tangling our super curly hair. Okay. All right, so low bun it is. Oh my gosh, the struggle. My neck. That was brilliant. I put my hair in a low bun without any help. Wow. Okay, if I get carried away, it is, so you put your hair in a low bun, and then twist it round and then open it up. Okay, so I am twisting this around. Okay, so I can't really see, but I think this works. I think this works. I'll take pictures to see what the back of my hair looks like, but I think it works. That was definitely a hit. That works, that hack works, so yay! So let's move on to the next hack and let's watch the video together. So I need a hairband in the middle of my hair. Okay, I don't want to be a pessimist, but I'm not sure that's gonna work. So we're gonna go 1. She went 1, right? 2. 1, 2. I'm tempted to use my other hand. 3, and then 4, 5, and 6. My hair is so dark, you can't even see what I'm doing. And then 7. I'm just crisscrossing it like she did in the video. 8, and 9, and 10. So that's what I have. I'm not sure if it's showing what it looks like, but this is the result of using the hair hack on a natural hair for that one. I'm just gonna hide this out this way. Okay, that doesn't look right, but that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have more hair hacks that you want me to try, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I really had fun with this, even if I had only 2 out of 5 hacks really worked, but it was fun to shoot. So let me know if you have more hairstyle hacks that you would like me to try. Let me know in the comment section below. Let's see if we can get this video to be watched by 5-minute crafts. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Take care. Bye.